Hands-on demonstration on data processing and data management. Sorting.
Yan, what if gusto ko namang isort yung ating applicants according to age? Ang gusto ko i-check kung sino yung pinakabata, then i-check kung ilan yung may ganitong age. So what we can do is, punta po tayo sa ating age column. Ayan. Then highlight po natin yung L2, Control Shift down. Pwede po natin siyang i-sort. Ayan. We have an option na sort filter, itong sort smallest to largest or sort largest to small. Ayan. Pwede din po itong i-right click. Ayan. Sort. Ganon. Kung ayaw nyo pong hanapin sa ating home tab, pwede din po yung right click, then sort. So for example, gusto ko smallest to largest. Arrange sila sa pinakabata hanggang sa pinakamatandang applicant. So, we have sort smallest to largest. Ayan. May magpa-pop na warning. So, Microsoft Excel found data next to election. So, since you have not selected this data, it will not be sorted. So, what do you want to do? So, may dalawang options po tayo. First is expand the selection. Then, second is continue with the current selection. So, be careful po dito. Expand the selection kapag gusto nyo yung buong row yung i-move niya. Again po, expand the selection is gusto nyo na yung buong row yung i-move. Continue with the current selection is kung ano yung in-highlight nyong cells, yun lang yung i-move niya. Ano yung advantages, ano yung disadvantages? For example, si applicant number 1, age niya is 42. Kapag sinelect ko yung expand the selection, buong details ni applicant number 2 i-move niya along with yung age niyang 42. So meaning, consistent pa din siya. Kapag sinelect ko naman yung continue with the current selection, 42 lang yung i-move niya. So for example, ma-move itong value na to na 42 somewhere sa baba. Ibig sabihin, age na yon hindi na siya nag-match sa ating applicant 1. Okay po, again, yung advantage and disadvantages nito, kapag expand the selection, buong row yung dadalhin ni Excel. Kapag continue with the current selection, yung specific cell lang yung dadalhin niya. In our case, gusto natin expand the selection kasi itong age na to na 42 is for applicant number 1, yung age na 25 is for applicant number 2. Okay po, kasi pag sinelect natin yung continue with the current selection, rearrange po yung age natin such that hindi na nagmamatch yung age nila sa kung sinong applicant sila. Okay po, so again, be careful with that one. So for now, expand the selection po tayo. Ayun. So meaning, yung pinakabata natin is itong si applicant, si Baron Matos. Si Baron Matos pala. Ayan. Ayan. What if gusto ko ibalik sa original arrangement? Na ayoko na nakatong age. Paano ibalik? Yun po yung kagandahan nung gumawa tayo ng additional column kahapon. Yung itong number. Kasi kung wala po tong number kahapon, hindi natin siya may babalik sa original form niya or sa original arrangement. So ngayon, to revert it back sa original arrangement niya, we click A2, Control Shift down, tapos sort ko lang ulit ng smallest to largest. Expand ulit, again, expand po tayo in our case kasi gusto natin buong row yung dadalhin na Excel. So click sort, ayan. So nabalik na po natin sa ating original arrangement.